As someone who works with lots of clients every single day, a lot of my workflow will be taking Figma designs and comments on those Figma designs and either iterating on them or turning them into Squarespace websites. And one thing that I send my clients a lot of the time is a link to there's a specific Figma help article, and it's like how to add comments onto a Figma file. And I actually don't think it's as easy as Figma make it out. And so what I want to do is make a quick video showing you how to add them in and what you can do within those comments. So I'll take you over to the screen now and we'll get into it. So you join me here on the By Crawford rebrand. We're currently doing a huge rebrand exercise via Figma and then moving it over into Squarespace. And so I've been through lots of iterations. You'll see we started on this and then we go through I think we're on the fifth iteration here. But basically all you need to do is click on this icon down here. That's going to allow you to comment across the whole design. So if I want to change, let's say, you can zoom in, by the way, with your trackpad. If I want to say, change this to just full name, I'll click on it and I'll say full name. And if I want to give more context to that, I can say, change this to say full name. And then if I want to go even further, I'm going to comment this, but I can click on the comment and then I can reply in that stream. And I can say, here is an example. And I can tag team members. So I can say at, and then I can tag my admin, or I can add, you probably don't want to be adding emojis, but you can add images in here. So for instance, if you're my client or, if you're working with another client or another designer, you can add in inspiration files here. So you just click on the icon there and then you can add, so this is just something I exported from a client, but you can open this up and once that's loaded in, you can comment that. And all of this gets siloed down to the right here. So let's say me and you are working together on these designs. I can go through and I can reply by clicking in here and we can all have this siloed chat just within this one comment. Once it's done, I can either tick it off here or tick it off here. And you can see, just like that, it's gone. You can repeat the process. And what's so good about this is you can be really granular with where you actually add things in. So let's just say, feedback here. And then I go down and, I want to change this, change logo. And then I think I look a bit ugly in this picture. So I'll say, Sam looks ugly. Please change. And there we go. And you can see, you can have this all the way down. And when you click the comment, it's going to drag you to where you left it. So it's a really, really useful tool. And it's something that I recommend all clients of mine and clients of other designers use, specifically when you're working on the larger budget projects, because the larger budget allows for a Figma specialist to come in, do all these mockups first, and quickly iterate on your designs. So if you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me and my team to do your Figma designs and bring them to life on Squarespace, you can get in touch using the links in the description.